Hey guys, what's up? It's Brendan here from WhisperNode. Today I want to run you guys through a quick tutorial on how to set up a Keplr wallet. First thing you're going to do is go to your Google Chrome browser. You're going to go to wallet.keplr.app here. As soon as you do that, you're going to get a pop-up that asks you to install for Chrome. You're going to click on Install for Chrome. That's going to take you to a new page. You're just going to add this extension here. And now you can see that that extension has been added to Chrome. Once there, you're going to find that extension in your list of extensions. Go to Keplr. Guys, there's all kinds of ways to set up a Keplr wallet. In other tutorials, I've shown you how to interact with Keplr using a ledger. Simple as just importing the ledger here. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set it up for in the cases where you don't have a ledger. So you're just going to click on this Create New Account button, and you're going to see here you get your mnemonic seed. Do not forget to back up this mnemonic seed somewhere. If you ever get locked out of your wallet, if you ever, uninstall that Chrome extension, you can always recover your wallet and therefore access your crypto if you have this mnemonic seed. So back it up somewhere safe. So what you're going to do here is create an account name. You're going to enter a safe password and click next. After you click next, it is going to ask you to re-enter your mnemonic that you had written down somewhere safe. For the purposes of this tutorial, I just took a quick screenshot so I can show you guys how to do this. Do not, take that screenshot and leave that file on your computer. I'm just doing it for the purposes of this tutorial here. So I'm going to go through and enter my mnemonic. Alright, and once I'm there, I'm going to click register. And guys, you can see there, it says you're all set. Open the extension and you can begin using Keplr Wallet. So I'll click done, and I'll go back up to my Chrome extensions and go into Wallet. And guys, you can see right here that I have my Keplr Wallet open. The default, it'll open to your Cosmos balance. So to get to the secret network, you just click this little drop down here, go to secret network. You can see that right now I have no balance, and here is my wallet address up here, guys. And that's it for this tutorial. On another tutorial, I'll show you guys how to delegate from Keplr, and I'll also show you guys how to do some on-chain voting. All right, guys. Thanks. Have a good one.